Hi, it's Chad Thomas with Technetics Group. As many of you in the vacuum industry know, Conflat flanges are commonly used and are very frankly considered to be a very strong, robust, and reliable bolted sealing solution. At times during the assembly and disassembly process, the knife edges on the conflats themselves can be inadvertently damaged and can be inoperable from that point, causing unavoidable system downtime. In this instance, one approach you might consider is implementing a Helicoflex spring-energized metal seal, either inbound or outbound of the damaged knife edge, which can get you back up and running quicker as opposed to having to procure new flanges and go through the welding process, or even attempting to fix the damaged knife edges themselves with techniques like sandpaper or Scotch-Brite.